Today we will study about minterms. So basically what are minterms? Minterms definition: a product term which contains all the variables. Means these are the terms which contain all the variable whether it is complemented or uncomplemented. Let us see one example. Here we have written one SOP form. SOP is a sum of products. See here among themselves, these are the product terms. These are in multiplication. Variables are in multiplication. A complement BC. Similarly, ABC complement. So these terms among themselves are in multiplication. These are the product, and we are doing their sum. We are putting OR over here, plus operation. So these are known as sum. We are doing the sum of what? Products among themselves individually. These are the product terms. So when we are combining them with plus sign, so these are known as SOP form, that is sum of product, and individually these elements are known as minterm. So here each individual element is a minterm. Here A complement BC, A B C complement ABC. So this is a minterm. Here there are three minterms. So how we will write the minterm? We will see it with the help of truth table. So here let's take three variables A, B and C. So here we have three variables A, B and C. So total possible combination will be 2 to the power 3. That is total possible combination. How much we are taking? We are taking 8 possible combinations. So we will write accordingly 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. In the next column we will write 2 times 0, 2 times 1. Again 2 times 0 and 2 times 1. In the third column we have alternative 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So here we have taken all possible combination. We can write possible combination in this way as there's another method also. We will write 0, 0, 0, then we will take 0, 0, 1 in binary form, but we are taking here the simplest form. Now for minterm designation we use the symbol small m for designation. For designation we are using small m, and it is, so first combination is represented as m0, second one is represented in decimal form. We are writing m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, m7. So just remember we are using small m for minterms and capital M for max term. So how we will write the minterm for this? For writing minterms, we take 0 to be complemented variable. Just remember we are taking 0 as a complemented variable and 1 as a normal variable we are taking. For the minterms we take 0 complemented variable and 1 as a uncomplemented. So here first m0 minterm will be, since we have in all three 0, 0, 0, so it is represented as A complement, B complement, C complement. In the second case we will have 0, 0, 1. So for A we have complement. Since we have 0, B column also 0, so B complement C. In the third combination we have, for A we have complemented, for B we have normal variable, and for C again we have the complemented. In the fourth, that is M3 combination, we have A is 0, so it is complemented, B, C are 1, so it is normal variable. For M4 we have A as 1, so it is taken normal, and B, C are 0, so it is taken as complemented. For M5, A, B complement C. For M6, A, B, C complement. For M7 we have all the three normal variables A, B and C. So these are the min terms. So here you are saying that these are the product terms of all the variable, as they contain all the three variable a, b and c, whether it is complemented or uncomplemented form.